our main concern about today about is the network topologies. Network topology refers to the logical arrangement or the layout of the network and its description of how the various nodes like sender and receivers are connected and communicate with each other. So what are the different types of network topologies? We have six different types of network topologies. Today we are going to discuss only first three topologies in detail. In the next video we are going to discuss the other three. So we are going to discuss today is bus topology, ring topology and star topology, which are pretty simple. So first of all, let's discuss about the bus topology. So bus topology is a network in which all the computer nodes and the network systems are connected to a single transmission medium. Okay, single transmission channel is used. And linear bus topology when it has exactly two endpoints. In the table we have some features of the bus topology. In bus topology, it transfers the data in a single direction because it has single transmission channel. So there is a single connection between the node or the between the system and the channel. Okay, the bus network topology advantages and disadvantages are mentioned below. So first of all, let's discuss the advantages. It is easy to connect because it is a single direction, because it has single direction or it uses the single transmission medium. That's why we don't have to connect it with the different nodes. It take less time to set up, or it is best suited for the small networks like for our home networks or a building or a network in the one building one floor, or it's easy to expand. Okay, we have some disadvantages of the bus topologies. So if the backbone or if the main hub is failed, main hub cable is failed, then the whole network will be down. It doesn't support the bidirectional communication and is not suitable for heavy traffic data because it increases the chance of collision. Next we have ring topology. So in ring topology, the device form in the ring shape as its name shows, so in which each device is connected exactly to its neighbor on the both sides through point-to-point connection, and first and the last nodes are connected to each other. So the functionality of bus ring topology is that in this topology, one device known as the monitor station will take responsibility for the connection or for the operation. So station has to hold the token to transmit the data. When no station is holding the token, then the token will be circulated in the ring. Token is main our concern. Next we have some features to prevent the loss of the transmission media from first node to the last node, like 100th node. So the number of the repeaters are deployed in the network. Next, dual ring topology. Dual ring topology, it is a bidirectional communication connection between each network node, and the data is transmitted in a sequential manner. It can't skip devices in between. Advantages, we have the chance of collision is less and it is cheap. Next, disadvantages are difficult to troubleshoot, and if the failure is occur in the single computer can lead to the disturbing the whole network. Next, adding or removing a computer will just disturb the transmission of the data in the network. Next, star topology. In star topology, all the computers are connected to the single central node which is known as hub through the cable. So all the transmissions of the data is through the hub. What are the some features of the star topology is that each computer is connected to the hub through a dedicated connection or through a dedicated cable. The hub is also known as act as repeater. So star topology advantages are if the failure of one computer will not affect the other computers in the network. It is easy to troubleshoot. We can easily troubleshoot that which system is down and in which system the problem is occurred. Next, it's easy to add or remove the computers in the network, and the hub can easily replaced. So what are the disadvantages? Disadvantages include the performance of the transmission depends on the hub, and its installation cost is high. If the failure of the hub will stop the if the failure of the hub, then it will stop the transmission. So in bus topology we use nothing, we only it's a simple one way or the single transmission channel it uses. Next, in ring topology it uses the token. Next, in third we have in star topology we uses the hub.